Ahoy mateys, it's Dazzling Latte and welcome to my Influenster unboxing. Okay, so first I have to get something out of the way. Let's see. Okay, so I received these products complimentary from Influenster for testing purposes. Okay, and I also want to say all opinions are my own. I'm not getting paid to do this. So, okay, so I received this box today, and I was so excited. I posted on social media. I forgot to tag Influencer, but I retweeted it and tagged them anyways. I'm just so excited about the box. And let's just see what's in here. Okay, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. And got a little card here. It says, "Congratulations, you're in Herbal Essences VoxBox. Are you ready for hair that smells as good as it feels?" Okay, so it's just like it's like a little card telling me, you know, all my stuff I gotta do, you know, for like reviewing it and stuff. Oh, this is nice. Oh my gosh, it's like full size. Okay, this is the shampoo. And it's white strawberry. I love strawberry scented things. I didn't even know I was going to get strawberry scented. Oh! Okay, it's white strawberry and sweet mint shampoo. And it's like daily cleanse. Quick scan of the ingredients. And there's no artificial coloring. That is a bonus. Like, look at that. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to smell it. I can't wait to smell it. And then this is the conditioner. It's the same. It's like white strawberry and sweet mint, but it's like conditioner, and it is a daily cleanse as well. And from the looks of it, this doesn't have artificial coloring in it either. That is always a plus with me. Okay, so I believe that's it. I believe it's kind of like a short video. I just wanted to, you know, talk about what I got, and I will be reviewing these, so there'll be more posts on my social medias about it and stuff, and giving my thoughts, and yeah, I'm really excited. I love reviewing stuff. I love getting stuff from Influencer. They're one of my favorites. One of my favorites. Anyways, okay, so for now I have to go, but until then, smooth sailing to you and your pirate crew.